Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So let's first open the Muviz Edge application. Let's just open it, and here you'll see all of the available tabs. Let's select one from the tabs here. Just tap to apply, and here we got the background, so we could just swipe them to the up or to the down to change them. Tap to apply. We could just change music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to show notifications and the date with the help of the switchers, and to show battery status always while they was charging or just to don't show it. Let's go back, switch AOD to the settings, tap to always on display section. Here we got the switcher on the right upper corner with which we could activate or turn off the AOD option. We could show this option on lock screen always while charging on music, to decrease or increase the brightness level, to change the screen time amount, low power after timeout, to change the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the on time, and to use burn-in protection and pocket modes. And also we could disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our FOSSiBOT phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.